Ready? Ready? Say hello. Hello. Yeah, say what? What? What's going on? What's going on? Move you guys into the light so I can see you. What's going on? Huh? I see you guys. I see you. I see you, Iglesias. Say hi, Leon. Say what? What? Hi, Yvonne. No. Hi, pretty birds. Hi. Hello. Say what? 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 You know who needs to be in the picture, right? Right, Iglesias? Right? Right? Skittles needs to be in the picture. But no, she doesn't want to be in the picture. She wants to bite my fucking hands off. My little fingers off. Hey, quit biting me. Quit licking me. Huh? You guys get along pretty well. Why is that? Why is that? Why do you guys get along so well? But you can't get along with my cockatiel. It's because you guys are from the same place, huh? Tropical birds. Huh? Is that it, Leon? Are you tropical? Tropical enough? Huh? Iglesias is pretty tropical, huh? Yeah, you are, huh, Iglesias? Huh? Yeah. Let's go see if we can find Skittles. Skittles! Oh, I see her. She's right there. She's here. Now she's freaking out. I didn't even touch her. That's how Skittles is. Off you guys go. Off. Off. See if I can get her. Skittles. 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 Hold on. I gotta get her. I got her. Come here.
Hey. Hey. Away from me, honey.
And it was near him. Oh. Oh. Oh, Skittles. Poor Skittles. Skittles, baby. Skittles, baby. Skittles, baby. Skittles, baby. Okay. If you guys haven't noticed, this is Skittles. She's cranky. Cranky baby. Yeah, she's cranky baby. Are you cranky? Hey, grab her. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. You see her? Yeah, this is Skittles. She's not hand trained. Trying to get there. Trying to get her to be hand trained. Trying to get you to be hand trained, huh, baby? Huh? Yeah. Trying to get you to be hand trained? Yeah? Yeah? What? What's wrong, baby? Huh? What's wrong? Look, she's on me right now. Please don't bite me hard. I don't want you biting me hard. Well, now she's on my shoulder. I don't know what she's doing now. Now she's in my hair. Now I don't know what she's doing. She's in my hair now. What are you doing in my hair? Are you gonna fly off my head now? I hope you do. And yes, she flew off my head. So this is all the game. The whole game. Hi guys. Hi. Hi everybody. Leon. Iglesias. Skittles. And T-Bone. And Skittles is the one who's shy. Doesn't want to be around anybody. For some reason. But okay. Bye.